Good evening, everyone. This is Pandakwan, and today I bring you a very special video which is about IonQ. So, today dropped the massive earnings of IonQ, for which after that we see a lot of post-market movements. But I'm going to quickly call about what's the support and what's the target and what I'm looking for. So the earnings were great. We see a volume building up over here in terms of chart, and then there is a solid support which is going on. Like you can see that this is a trend line that I have drawn, and then we have a solid support. So 32 you can say is a solid support. Today the stock move up like 6%, might be like a week it might be 10 or 15% above, but these are like my different Gantt charts, and then probably what I am looking for is a target of 65. So why I say a target of 65, I have like a thorough detailed analysis already with me, the Excel. So please like, subscribe and share this YouTube channel and comment, and I can send you the entire summary and revenue balance sheet, whatever I have over here. But I'll mostly just talk in terms of buy thesis because I don't want to consume your time. So IonQ, why you should buy it? Look at it long term. I will say 12 months. 65 was the target over here. I'm saying long term 70 to 75 because IonQ is a category leader. It's undisputed and is one of the quantum companies which has the maximum revenue. Like other of the companies, they are working into different avenues, but this is purely quantum. And I have met the CEO, I have met their marketing team, I have met a lot of people, and a lot of them were PhDs to be honest, and they are working very. And the CEO was a previous professor at Duke University, so he has a lot of quantum knowledge already. So what we have seen is, like there are different cycles. There is a hyper growth cycle, and then there is a slow cycle. So right now we see it as a downtrend. The other thing, what I say is that it has massive cash. So when I'm talking about massive cash, they have zero debt, they have everything in cash. So if I alone just count their cash towards their stock price, like $13 is just right now the value of their stock. Like that's what it, and right now the stock is trading at 33, which is no joke, to be honest. You can talk about like there are different avenues into quantum is very big and it is a developing field. You won't be seeing like revenues coming in right in. Is imagine that this is a kind of a Rocket Lab stock. They are deploying it, they are trying out different experiments, but the hardware is very expensive. So in case I'm going to talk about like the full stack player, that is also this fits everything. It's a quantum, it's a networking, sensing, security, manufacturing, whatnot. And because it's quantum, it's a very significant high risk technology because China is making them. So like US would be, because US needs to support quantum, and how it can support through either private or public institutions. So IonQ, they signed a massive deal with Maryland, and they were trying to do a deal with Texas as well, where all the universities would kind of come in and they will try something for it. So that's what's happening. And again, this is a valuation reset. Like we are seeing the stock at 33-60% off the all-time high, and everyone out there on the Wall Street are giving it a buy statement. So for me, it's a buy. Totally a pure side technical play on AI is also a growth sector, and similarly quantum is going to be the next era. That's why I choose this. Follow me on Twitter, and here is also Martin, who was kind of replying me. He is not a fan of quantum, but I feel I'm a fan of quantum. I'm just showing you this because he actually replied to my tweet. Yeah, thank you.